What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another episode of JDTCo. Vienna, you want to be here, but I gotta do a video. Okay? Sorry, guys. When you have a store with dachshunds, they just take over. Okay, let's get right into it, and we'll talk about what's new and exciting at JDTCo. This probably isn't going to work. Okay, real quick, here at JDTCo, these have been going absolutely bonkers viral. We did a deal on these. I think it was $175.
Yes.
Beer tool. We could probably lower that.
For the stubby.
For the stubby. For the high torque stubby, right?
Yes.
We can lower that?
I mean, we could if you want to.
We did it for $175. I think we could lower the price just to here and get it on the Apple website for our guys on YouTube. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. If you want to know the price, they're going to be a little bit less. Right?
Yeah.
Real quick. Today is the 19th, okay? Friday. And I already shot a video this morning. I got a black shirt on. My hair's longer. Got a haircut. Changed my shirt. And I can prove to you. Because only a heathen will wear blue with black shoes, correct?
Yeah, that's not a good move.
Not a good move. But I just changed my shirt just for the quick video. Because as you're watching this right now, I am in Scotland. True or false?
True.
True. Doing a tour of the distilleries, trying to sell them tools. Right? Okay. This, I think, is one of the best deals that we posted in quite some time with the Milwaukee high torque half-inch impact full kit. Battery 5.0, charger, and bag. How much, Nick?
$359.
Guys, that's an insane deal. If you're still holding out to get into the Milwaukee game, this deal is what you need to get you started in the Milwaukee fanboy club. All right?
Definitely.
$359. And again, this is the best half-inch impact on the market. Guys, 5-year warranty. Nobody's doing that. Right? Nobody. Who's doing that?
Nobody.
Nobody.
Us.
Milwaukee is.
Milwaukee.
And so are we. Snap-on, twice the price, a quarter of the warranty. That's insane. Could you imagine buying this Milwaukee, a Snap-on impact, spending for the same kit probably about $800 for a 1-year warranty?
No.
Because he likes to talk about his, your little Jimmy's baseball game, right? And how he's your friend. No.
No.
If you got this, you're gonna need this. Milwaukee 3.0 XC battery, 2-pack, $80.
$80.
I know my numbers, right? So if you had this and this, it's an unstoppable combo. This will last you all day, correct?
Definitely.
But you know what's been missing from the Milwaukee repertoire for quite some time?
What's that? The quarter-inch impact.
They haven't had a new quarter-inch impact for years, correct?
Definitely, yeah.
They just came out with this one. This is the Milwaukee quarter-inch sub-impact. How much is this?
$229.
$229, and this thing is sexy as sexy can be. 3 torque settings, and I think the max torque is I think it's 125, something like that.
100.
100 pounds. But guys, that's a 6mm socket on there. How you can't go too crazy with it. Anything quarter-inch. That's all you need. That's all you need. I like this. I wish I had a need for it.
Yeah.
But I do have a want for it.
Yeah, but I mean, you have a quarter-inch hex. Well, you don't even have a quarter-inch hex driver anymore.
Why?
You gave it to your daughter.
My daughter stole it. Could you get me another one, please?
Yeah, I have some coming in.
Thank you, Nick. Because my house currently has no M12 hex impact driver because my daughter stole it.
Definitely the best tool for around the house.
Oh my God, I am such a big fan of the M12 line, especially around the house. For inside the car, under the hood, it's all you really need. This is not a paid sponsorship. A friend of ours, a customer, came into the store the other day. We were talking about vitamins because recently I went down a wormhole and I've gotten better health at the age of 60. Started taking care of myself, taking vitamins, supplements, going to the gym, and my life has changed, as you could see in the camera lens. If you go back to my old videos, I might have been a little overweight. But I can't sleep. Magnesium, know what I do now, Nick?
What's that?
Sleep.
Yeah, I've been taking that too. It definitely helps.
If you have stress, okay, and you can't sleep, you're low on magnesium. But guys, don't worry about it. I'm going to be coming out, I'm telling you, I'm working on it right now, a full line of vitamins made for mechanics. Stress and a multivitamin. You guys can't live on monsters and cigarettes anymore, right?
I mean,
It's going to catch up to you.
You need something to supplement it.
Listen, I lived on chicken wings and beer for quite a few years, and I was 300 pounds. Now 205. So get ready. I'm going to launch this. So I want you guys to be part of the what do you want to call it? Part of the team. We're gonna get healthy together.
I think it's a great idea.
I think it is too. And this is turmeric.
Turmeric.
It's gonna change your life. Chewables. I take 2 of these every day. 2 of these before I go to sleep, and 2 of these in the morning. Just get ready. Why is this here, Nick?
I don't know. We got a lot of them.
Okay, so this, I'll tell you the truth of the story. There's a company that had these locked down for years, okay? And we buy from them direct. We buy through the warehouse for them. And we wanted to buy direct. They turned us down, right?
They did.
To save $2.
Yeah.
$2. And like, nah, we can't, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, all right. So guess what? I had my own made, okay? And it's funny because like the ones for America are locked down, but if you look at mine are made for Italy. So I intercepted the load going from point A to point B and brought it to C. And how much are these?
$20.
$20. This is the same as the blue and yellow you've been seeing all over the world, all over the industry for the last 30 years. Same one, but for the Italian market. And we intercepted them, brought them into you direct for $20. Nick, if they don't want to play ball, what do we do? Break your kneecaps and just go around them.
Yeah.
Sorry, Vienna. I apologize. I woke the sleeping giant. Quick fun fact. Vienna is part of the tool page because that's where we found her, right?
We did.
One of our customers from Ohio?
Yes.
Ohio had a litter of dachshunds about 2 years ago? Year and a half ago?
Yeah, year and a half.
Year and a half.
2.5 years ago.
How old is she?
She's 2, like 2.5.
Okay, so we found her on the tool page, and here she is living with us now currently, and she is such a little love. Okay, I know. People think I'm a bad guy, but I'm just a nice guy. Guys, we've been selling a ton of the grip edge stuff lately, right?
A ton.
And
I think their prices keep going up, and ours are staying the same.
Yeah, I mean, they're getting a little out of hand, but you know what? The good news is I flew to, where's this made, China or Taiwan?
Taiwan.
I flew to Taiwan directly and brought a pallet of it myself. I imported.
Shipping container.
I bought a shipping container from Taiwan direct and brought it for you guys. How much is this?
That is, I think it's $195 or $199.
All right, guys, $199. This is a great set. 132 pieces. And when we first started selling these, I didn't think we'd sell any of them. When we first posted them.
No.
And we sell a lot of them, right?
Easily our best grip edge seller.
Easily our best grip edge seller, right?
Yes.
Every bit you need will be in here. App, website, call the store. And then this is the torque set. This is another good seller, right?
Yeah.
How much is this one?
$129.
I think she wants vitamins. $129. Your complete torque set from T60 to T what?
T6 to 60.
What's the? Oh, it's a 30. Okay. I see what they're hiding the 30. Okay. I'm a little off kilter today, guys. How much is this?
$129.
$129. App, website, come to the store. All right. And real quick, this is the weight pliers. It's a WWP12. This is ours. JDTCo branded. And I got a lot of them. And I bought them real cheap. So I think when I get back from Scotland or while I'm away, we're going to do a giveaway. Anything that leaves the store gets one of these. What do you think about that?
That's fine.
Right?
Yeah, that's easy.
All right. Listen, we sell them, but when I tell you I have thousands of them, and I will be dead, long gone by the time I sell every one of them. Yeah. So we're going to start giving them away. Just keep your eyes posted, and we're going to do a giveaway.
It's a good story how we got them too.
And it's a good story how it's a great story. You'll never hear how we got them. Oh my God! Right? True story. Listen. The day I end this business, I got so many stories. You might want to keep me in business, corporate America, because you don't want to hear the truth of what's going on out there in the tool world. Right, Nick?
Yeah, no.
I know where all the bodies are buried, literally. Let me be a vitamin salesman.
Sounds way easier than tools.
Oh my God. I mean, like. All right, listen, guys. I'm going to wrap this up. It's Friday. It's 3 o'clock. I have to go home. I got a birthday party for my good friend Rob Freddy tonight. He's 45.
Really?
Yeah, 45. Yeah, so we're going to his birthday party, and then tomorrow I'm going to Scotland with a Rob Freddy trip. Adventure drives. Shout out Adventure Drives. If you ever get a chance to go on an adventure drive, it is a 10 out of 10 experience you will want for nothing, I promise you. Listen, guys, I'm losing my mind selling tools. Get ready when I switch gears and start selling vitamins. Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.